Good morning, students. As you know, I am teaching chapter 5, the noun number. As in English grammar, chapter 5, noun, the number, I explained exercise 2 and rules also. Today, I am going to explain exercise 3. As exercise 3, so exercise 3, it is asking question. Rewrite the following sentences changing the nouns in brackets into the plural number. Make the other necessary changes. So if necessary changes takes place, you can change. First sentence is given. The police chased the thief. The police chased the thief. So rewrite the following sentences changing the nouns in bracket into plural numbers. So thief given as in bracket. So you can change this noun into plural. Thief is singular number and singular or plural of thief is thieves. So you can rewrite this as answer in copy. Like this you can write answer in copy. The police chased the thieves. 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 The police chased the thief. Thieves. So the police chased the thief. Thief means one thief, singular number. You have to use the plural of thief as thieves. So in this way you can write in your copy as question type sentence 1 and this is the answer. You can take this and you can rewrite the sentence as in answer form in copy. In this way you can do. Second question I am telling the hero is given in bracket was given the bravery award. Means the hero was given the bravery award. So you can change the necessary changing. Hero plural heroes. The heroes and singular with singularity using was. Now you can use with heroes were. The heroes were given the bravery award. The heroes were given the bravery award. So you can change the necessary changing. I will give the solution of all exercises as in PDF form in the study material. So you don't worry. And I am telling only how can you write in copy. So you see this in this way you can write in copy. In this way you can study at home that which changing it may be takes place. So third sentence, we don't pay tax on some of the items. So we don't pay taxes. The plural of tax is taxes. Fourth question, these boxes contain chocolates. These boxes. So these boxes, in the place of box it will be boxes. The child flew kite. The children and kites. The children flew kites. So plural of kite is kites. Plural of child is children. In this way you can do 1 to 10 and others. All the solution I will give in PDF format as in study material. So exercise 4. Correct the following sentences if necessary. Means if the changing is necessary, you can correct the following sentences. How can you do? Exercise 4. How can you do? Exercise 4. First sentence. My mother bought 2 dozens of bananas. mother bought 2 dozens of bananas. So dear student, I had explained this as some nouns have not s or es as adding to make singular to plural. They are used as in the singular or plural form in the same way. So my mother bought 2 dozen. You don't use s. S is here, you don't use. So 2 dozen. It is written 2. Exact number 2 is given 2. So with exact number, this is the noun given dozens. So don't use dozens. I had also given some examples. Fish, not fishes, fish only. Sheep, not sheeps. Sheep only, singular and plural both way. Furnitures, furniture. Don't write furnitures because furniture singular and plural in the same way. In this way, some nouns can written in the simple form as what is given in the exact word. So it is only dozen, not dozens. So in your answer copy, you can write this one all, and in the place of dozens you can write dozen, and you underline this like this. You can write in copy answer. My mother bought 2 dozen. Dozen underline because you have corrected this word. So you underline this word in answer also. 2 dozen of bananas. In this way you can write in your copy. Second question. I have lost my scissor. No, scissor. See, scissor is just noun, as also it is found in pair. So have you seen scissor? As cutting cloths and other items. So it is used always scissors, not scissor. It is always used scissors because it has the pair of that type of the cutting part. So scissors. The hunter killed 2 deers. As you know, I had told also already. Deer only write deer in singular also, in plural also, not deers. So in the place of deers you write deer. She has dirty hairs. No, not hairs. You use hair only. Because hair in singular and plural both way you can use hair. The cattle are grazing in the field. For the animals it is using cattle, not cattles. So the cattle are grazing in the field. So only you use cattle, not cattles. Next you see at your home, and I will give the solution. Exercise 5 you see. Exercise 5 you see. Rewrite the following sentences changing the nouns into the plural where possible. Make other necessary changes. So first sentence, how can you write in copy? I am only explaining that how can you write in copy. What should be the format to write in copy? The answer you see, exercise 5. First sentence is given. A fox has a tail. A fox has a tail. Firstly, you must identify that which word indicates noun. Which word indicates noun. So here fox indicates noun and tail also indicates noun. So after that, read out the following sentences changing the nouns in the plural where possible. If it is given singular number, you must to change in plural form. So you can change in plural form, and other necessary changing also you can do. Like only a fox given, it is using has. If many foxes are there, so you should have to use have, because with the singular number subject it is using has, and with the plural number subject you can use have. So you see, foxes. Fox is given a fox, don't write a, only foxes you write. Foxes, fox, es, foxes have. This is necessary changing in the place of have. It is necessary changing. Foxes have, don't use article a. Here also, foxes have tails. Tail is given singular, you change it into plural, tails. Foxes have tails. So in the copy you can write like this. Second, it is given the bird lives in its nest. The bird lives in its nest. In its nest. You see, bird, it is given singular number, singular noun. Nest also noun, bird also noun. So you change bird into birds, you change nest into nests, nests also. But for the singular number, it is using its for birds, for animals, and using in the verb es, means s, lives, because word is singular. If singular subject, then singular verb. If plural subject, then plural verb. So with the singular subject, it is used singular verb. But if you are changing in plural form, birds, the birds, you can write plural form of the verb. Birds live only. Live. The birds live in. It is singular. It is singular pronoun. You use plural pronoun for birds. Deer. T-H-E-I-R. Deer. Deer is the plural pronoun of its. As for noun, birds. For birds, deer is pronoun as in the plural form. And in the place of nest, nests. So in this way, you can change the proper changing. The birds live in their nests. So in this way, you can write in copy. The leaf falls from the tree. In the place of leaf, leaves fall from the tree. Leaves fall from the tree. In this way, you can do 1 to 10. So in copy only write 1 to 5. From exercise 3, out of 10, 1 to 5. From exercise 4, out of 10, 1 to 5. From exercise 5, out of 10, 1 to 5. You only write in copy, and all the answers with pencil you do in your exercise book. All questions. In exercise book, don't leave any question. You do all. I will give the solution also. But in copy, at least only 1 to 5 you can write in copy. But if you want to write 1 to 10, also you can do, no problem. Okay, for today's class, thank you.